song, I would like to present you the most beautiful girl from Africa, Tyler! Ladies and gentlemen, we got Tyler in the motherfucking building. We gonna switch you up with these punk niggas. And listen, you tell that motherfucker, New York, bring me a Chanel bag.
Chanel! Oh my God! Let's go! You gotta make me free. That you gotta. Let's go! When you say love me, then put me in Chanel. 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 Put me in Chanel.
Hello everyone, Sanok and welcome to my channel. So Cardi B got her fans excited by bringing surprise guests during her second sold-out LA show. One of the surprise guests was none other than South African pop star Tyler. Cardi B's Little Miss Drama tour started on the 11th of February and she had been performing Tyler's part solo until the crowd was treated to that surprise performance. I really like that Cardi B brought Tyler on stage. Personally, I find it very distasteful when a bigger artist or one with more experience features a newer or younger artist, especially from a different genre, but never brings them on stage. Look, I get logistical reasons and whatnot, especially when artists are not even on the same continent, like collaborations between American and African artists. However, sometimes it feels like the bigger artists got whatever they wanted and does not want to be seen with the artist they featured in person. In some instances, it looks like the bigger or the more experienced artist just wanted a touch of that sound and a hint of a newer artist for relevance or opportunistic reasons, but does not see them as good enough to bring on stage. Now, one can argue that bigger artists are enough on their own or with big collaborations and do not need to bring out newer artists out during their tours. I say if you deem that newer artist good enough to be featured on your album, then bring them on stage. Look, it doesn't have to be the entire tour, but giving them the spotlight from time to time during the tour is a good gesture. I'm sure the fans are not complaining. They are killing two birds with one stone. What do you think?